Look like send me have to carry Harry down the hospital. Because from morning, Harry get up and walk on a hop. Like she'll try go in her uncle room, but you have to step up a little bit. So every time she step up, she a ball like say she in a pain. And she a walk on a hop. So me I say, I don't know if something wrong with one of her knee. And she no drop. She no drop. So mommy I say if she sleep bad pan her knee. But me I say, me never used to people can sleep bad pan her knee. I don't know, but me not take no check with my baby. Me I carry right down the hospital. So me I go ready. Them need for x-ray my daughter. Something. Alright, see me. Harry uncle gone with her. Him carry her gone for me. So me just have a little bag with her now. And I can see, I don't even catch up my head good. I can see. Yeah man, nothing. I just dash some water on my body. I'm gone with my baby. Like I don't think I'm nothing serious because like I don't know, can't say that's why me I carried out to the hospital. She not dropped no time yesterday. She not dropped no time. Well, yesterday she a walk fine and everything. So I don't know what happened this morning. All of a sudden she a ball for her knee. So just I carried on the hospital. So hurry up right now after 8. So me chat to when time I reach down the car. I walk fast, I try to catch up to my brother now. Try to hurry up and get one taxi. So I reach my pick one back up. Well, and I can't see so we reach. We just register Iris so. Just a wait for hear her name now. But that's not, I wonder if you can hear me. But that's not hope to them give it priority because she's a baby. So we'll see how long it's a good take. Why Donya is not my favorite place to be. Why I take off her braces and I eat it? No. Donya is not my favorite place to be. Anyways, them called Irene name a while ago. So the lady asked me if she drop, if anything bite her, if she did a play alright and everything prior to the hop hop. So we are wait again now for we name call for us to the doctor. So we'll see what go. I said being down here and seeing like the little young baby there, it just remind me of one time I already done one newborn. And then being down here and seeing like the pregnant female, them just remind me of one time me did pregnant and will never have no support. Anyways, that's not what this is about. So one time I go to the doctor, I'm update you know again. But it's showing the excitement to area keep up. Guess what? True them are calling name them over one mic. So true she constantly hear one shouting. I heard that's a shout and a go on so too. You want to work down here, you want them hire you? No? No? Yes, I'm not a fan of the hospital either. Looks so. So we go over this a while ago. Where is Iris throwing my mask away? Anyway, so we go over there go see the doctor. Over the little glass part if you know. So she asked me what and everything. So I tell her the area half and so when she put up her foot like make her step up, she cried, you know, it's called fear, mommy. I don't see her hopping. Like I don't know I'm a baby walk. And I don't want nobody patronize me. I don't want nobody patronize me. Like she want to convince me say nothing to do my baby. Like I know my baby. I'm not left down till I'm extra my baby foot. So she said me I want next part over here to come register. So me I wait in the line then. Meanwhile, I don't know Iris Day. She don't want to stay in my hand. She want to go her business. So she give me a hell of a time. Alright. I said me just walk around with Iris and do a bunch of nothing because she wants to be grumpy. Yes, water. So I can't come look for her reflection, see if she feel any better. But now she sees Mada wash them and hear her about water, she want to go play in the water. See her? I say I run come out just to come buy one little biscuit for her because she's being so grumpy. I want the biscuit for distract her. But I say the lady where register a while ago tell me that she watch it on YouTube. I wonder if she squeeze my name up her front. I wonder if she can do that. I said the worst thing you can make reach you have to spend money up at hospital because see the parrot biscuit here. First of all, parrot biscuit used to be good all this with me a picnic. And now I just buy it for $100. So I'm gonna make Iris go and munch it. I say I pull one of Iris juice. Get 2 juice for her, pull one. And I say by Iris take one little sip out of the straw, drop me after that away. But I run going because I really don't want them to call. No, take it out of your mouth, mommy. I really don't want them to call Iris name. I'm not in this, so I try and broke my neck go back here. Guys, just a reach up. Yeah, Iris, you see one baby cry out the road. I couldn't talk to no card no because in the rush and everything I can't everything hospital. I remember saying my name from money. I don't know it come down when it come to my belly. So when I reach back out in the St. Anne's Bay town, I stop up on one like a red truck, buy one like a food to eat, and I just come and tell mommy say, me eat the food and it come like I don't know which part to go in my belly. But yeah, we're gonna see one doctor up at the accident and emergency. He know him feel up our foot them and whatever. Him say nothing to seem and he makes you walk and see. Him say nothing to seem to be wrong with it. Ask me if I sleep on Irie. I say no. Him say you sure? I say I never know if I sleep on her. So him say maybe she sleep bad on it. So him say it look like more than likely a muscle pain. So if come back. No man. I know people business me loving that chew a pitney and him a cry. I just wonder what. But yeah, him say if me have like Panadol or Cetamol, me can just gear. But me have Panadol for hair for a longer time. Look how me now no head front. Look how it look like me now no ear because my ear shrink up. With the plan to wash it today because me tell me say me have one next interview tomorrow, which me not think me I bring it up on. But if you don't want to come drop it in the comments, I'm gonna work it out. So I go wash my ear now. I feel like I want a nap. She barely like her when I went in the hospital because she want a new person because she didn't want to sleep and put her to bed, but she never stayed that way. But me I tell you so I'm sit down here son. Mom tell me something please. Me I tell you say being in the hospital, it just reminds me so much of when Irie just born, like the minute she born and all me in the taxi I come up and me just spaced out I think about Irie when she was a newborn baby and myself as like a new one, even though me still a new mother. But I'm just me I say to myself in my mind, of course. Me I say to myself, so it's so weird, like I wasn't ready for pregnancy, I wasn't ready for motherhood, but me find it so at the minute I push out Irie out of my vagina. Come like one switch just click on and me never even think about nothing no more like how me I go do this or whatever. Me just know say me I do this. Yeah, me in it me I do this. And like me not know but a switch, a different switch just flip on with me emotions because me I tell you say me never emotional. Well, I'd say I was emotional but I always try to hide it because I like deal with things by myself. And me just couldn't do it. And I remember because I know if you don't watch my story time, my delivery story, my birth and delivery story time, and I remember I'm telling you say Irie give me a 2nd degree tear in my vagina, you know. And I sit down there about 4 hours I get stitched up. And I say I remember one time I dip on the table I get the stitches. Irie over one side now one incubator. And I say I remember like every minute, like every hour she cry out. And I say them wicked people can't even make me get up go hug up my baby. I just remember all them things. And I say that it's so weird how all that come natural to me like. I know say I saw it going but it just weird to me like looking back at it. But Ari cannot manage that bag. But me I go well for now. Yeah man, me exhausted. Me hungry. Me I go make some oats and sweet corn or something. That food then I do not. When me tell you say nothing, me mean I do. Come like me never name nothing same way. I'm buy one medium size food. But me not eat from morning. At what time now? At 2-1 now. I only know say me left out here from after 8. So I'm not supposed to know. I'm not supposed to know. So I'm gonna close out the video. Remember, tell me if you don't want me to like a get ready with me or if you carry on. You cannot manage it. Carry on kind of on the interview with me tomorrow. I have something to say about that. But I'm kind of iffy about it. So me wait till tomorrow and see how I feel about it. But for now, I'm gonna close out the video. I'm thanking God that nothing is wrong with my baby. Look here, as Ari head Atar, as me thinking in my head say Ari head Atar, hospital. Me not play with my baby and sickness. And that's why I will give you one story time about the first time I had to bring Ivory to the hospital when she was born. Tell me if you don't want it. But me I close out that video. I'm hungry. I got to go buy. I say me have to come back and tell you this. Look out in here that me say the reason why I have to carry Ivory too. You see if she did drop her or something, mother say alright, I did drop what she drop make she a hop. Or make her foot at her time. But she not drop nothing. Me say her uncle start for me this morning. Don't play with Arian and her uncle, let me know. Her uncle start for me. Oh, me and mommy in here and watch Arian. No, now we can't tell him walking to the pitney. And then the next one come out. Me tell him to watch the pitney. Oh, no, watch the pitney. Now play with Arian and her uncle, let me know. Them crazy for Ari. So one time me did that, if I'm button, I say, if me for care Ari down the hospital, uncle make sure come. Yo, hurry up, uncle, the pitney down the hospital. So me and mommy said I guess I chat while I go care for food for mommy. So mommy a piece of the beef me eat to see me stuck up in my teeth. So mommy just said to me, say, sorry for you one day baby. I say me I come tell you, but now me I go tend to my belly. I'm gone for true later man. Sure.